Hey guys, welcome back. Unfortunately, this weekend we couldn't go camping because the passenger side tire on the camper was making noise. So my husband took it apart and there's something wrong with the axle. So we had to order a new one. So it's going to be about a week before we get to go out again. So in the meantime, we're going to show you this generator. It's an ARKSEN generator. So we didn't find a lot of information out about this. There weren't a lot of reviews or information online that we could find, but we decided to give it a shot. It's 1100 watt output, max is 1250. So far so good. My husband filled it with oil and ran it for 20 minutes. Shut it off, emptied it, filled it with oil again, ran it for another 30 minutes. So far so good. It's not the quietest in the world, but you know, it wasn't over $1,000, so it's not a Honda or a Yamaha, but we paid $250 for it, so it's definitely worth it. We're going to show you some of the features as to why we purchased this generator. The little LCD screen here, which displays all of the information for you clearly right there. Here's your power on and off, and it has an economy mode. It comes with these battery charging cables right there. Comes with this, you can fill with oil, and a little toolkit as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to turn on. Okay guys, so there you have it, it's on. I'll show you the little, this is the display. It shows you the volts, the amps, the watts, the hours, and the fuel. So everything you need is right there. So we're back in the camper now. We have the generator running out front, and it's not that loud at all. It's actually very decent. So we're happy with that. And in these boxes are our new wheels, but we're not going to show you until next time. And we want to thank you so much to all of our new subscribers. We started with 1 and now we're reaching 100. It's not a lot, but we're very happy. So thank you to all of our new subscribers, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time.